Hi guys, in this video we will see how as a teacher I can create a blog and comment on a post for the other users. So I'm logging in as a teacher. Blog would be the first link that you would find under Collaboration tab. To create a blog, click on My Blog and give a unique name for your blog. I am giving the name by the name of the user. Once I've created this blog, I can add posts inside the blog by clicking on New Post. I can give the name of the post and some content associated to it. This content can also be in the form of images or inserting a video. I can save this post as a draft or publish it at the same time. Once the blog post is published, I can see that with the other blog posts that are already put on by other users. I'm logging in as another user now. And this user can view the post that was just created by going to Collaboration and Blog. Here I can see that this is the name of the post which is submitted by this blog handle or the blog user and the date. To see more details, I will click on the name of the post and I can mark this post as a favorite by clicking on this star option. I can also comment on this post and submit that. To see more details about the user you have put in this post, I will click on the name of the user here and I can check the details. So all the posts will come up and the number of favorites and the date on which the post was put in, along with the number of comments. I'm logging in back as the user who created the post, and that user will be able to see the notifications regarding his post by going to Activities. Here I can see that the other user has commented on the post, and on clicking on it, it will take me to that post comments. I can edit this post at any point. I can search for the posts for all the blogs that are there for any user. So blog option is available for all the users. So as you can see, when I'm creating a blog post, it is not asking me for the target users. In the next video, we will see how a teacher can collaborate by creating online meetings using the Collaborate option under Collaboration.